Happy Diwali to my near and dear. Diwali is celebrated across India with great passion as it symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Diwali is celebrated 20 days after Lord Rama killed Ravan and rescued Sita. On this day, Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after 14 years, and this is the reason we celebrate the festival Diwali. People welcome Lord Rama, Sita, and Lakshman with lighting lamps and crackers. As friends, we all know in our present scenario there is a lot of pollution, and that is the reason why I am telling you that don't burn crackers because of a lot of pollution. And again, a shubhdipawali to all my friends. Bye bye.